Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use resistors, why we need them on our circuits, how to find the right value to fit in our circuit, and at the end of the video I will also show what happens if you put too much voltage or current in a resistor. Let's start.
So resistors, on the left side you can see the color code for the resistance, which you can read the value of your resistor from this international color code. The schematic of the resistors are a rectangle. So let's assume that you want to connect two same value of resistors in series. The total resistance is resistor plus resistor. You add both of the values of it, so you find out the total resistance. If connected in the parallel, you simply multiply the resistors values on the upper side and add them on the bottom side, and you can find the value of the total resistance. So this is like a feature of the resistors. Resistors don't have anode or cathode. What does it mean? It doesn't matter the polarity, so it doesn't matter how you connect the resistors, they don't have a side. And let's draw a simple circuit with a voltage source, a resistor. So let's say that our voltage source is U, and what current is equal to the voltage divided by resistance, and our power is equal to voltage power 2 to resistance, or current power of 2 multiplied with the resistance. Most of the resistors, as I will show in the video later, has a threshold of 0.25. So if you exceed this threshold, it will burn, and it can change the type. So there are some resistors that can hold much more power in them. So this is also a simple circuit. To find out the currents, we simply from voltage source we subtract the LED voltage and divide it by resistance, and our total voltage drop in our resistance is equal to current multiplied with resistance, and our power loss on the resistor is current power of 2 multiplied with resistors. So always be careful about the power loss on your resistors, because it's very inefficient. So what happens if you go above the threshold that the resistors can handle? So as you can see, it gets smoked and it starts to burn. It's dead, so you can't use that resistor again, and it's also dangerous. It can kill your circuit.